Here's a wonderful boy, Magnus. He's such a great boy, so cute. And this is my son Wesley here. Wesley, can you tell us how old you are?
9.
9. And are you really good with dogs?
Yes.
Yes, you're super, right? How many dogs have you helped with? Do you know?
I don't know.
Close to 1,000 dogs. Do you know?
No.
You're doing such a great job helping these dogs find a wonderful home. Magnus is a really wonderful boy. He's going to do well in a home with children. Okay. This is actually your first time meeting Magnus.
Hmm?
Yeah. Say hi, boy.
Hello.
Okay. Yummy, yummy treat, huh? Good. So I want to do a little pet head here just to show you that he doesn't have any treat aggression. Wesley, could you gently help me pet Magnus? Just gently. Yes, look at that. He's by nature good temperament, gentle yet fun. It can be very calm. It's going to be a wonderful, wonderful family pet. He's very relaxed, easygoing, loves all dog, any size dog. He's been around over 50, 60 dogs in our home and doing really well in any gender, any age. Got these nice dark brown coloring, and it's very special that his 4 feet are brindle color.
There's definitely an articuno. I can sense it. My bronchi senses are tingling. So what's that mean 1 in 400? I mean, like, I've heard 400 Pokemon as small as Biome, one will be an articuno.
He's such a cutie pie. He's such a cutie pie. Gonna find you wonder home soon, okay?